Are you tired of not being able to see heat signatures around you or identify potential issues in your home? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the FLIR ONE, a thermal imaging camera designed for iOS smartphones, specifically the iPhone 14 and older models with a Lightning port. Priced at $214, what really caught my attention is its 240 by 180 super resolution, which means it can detect subtle temperature changes, making it a solid choice for DIY home inspections or outdoor adventures. If you're looking to spot leaks or overheating electrical systems, this is worth a serious look. This product genuinely shines when it comes to helping you identify heat loss in your home. The 240 by 180 super resolution means you can easily spot hot spots or cold drafts, saving you on energy bills. It connects seamlessly to your iPhone, transforming your device into a powerful tool for thermal analysis. With over 100 units sold just last month, there's clearly a demand for this kind of technology. Now, some people have complained about the battery life, saying it drains quickly when in use. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for short inspections, you'll be just fine, but if you plan on extended use, you may want to manage your sessions wisely. This is perfect for you if you need to diagnose issues around the house or while camping, but skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one rugged solution. It's more of a specialized tool. For the price, it offers fantastic value, especially for homeowners. Now, if the limited battery life of the FLIR ONE concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach with a built-in thermal camera.
Product number 2, the Ulefone Armor 29 Pro, a rugged smartphone packed with a thermal camera retailing at $679.99. This one caught my eye because of its impressive specs, including a 64MP triple camera setup and a massive 21,200 mAh battery. If you're looking for a smartphone that can withstand the elements while offering thermal imaging, this is definitely worth considering. What sets the Ulefone Armor 29 Pro apart is its 5G capability combined with thermal imaging. The built-in thermal camera can easily detect temperature variations, which is essential for anyone working in construction or home maintenance. Imagine having a powerful, rugged phone that not only captures stunning photos, but also helps you identify heat leaks or electrical issues. Plus, with 512 gigabytes of storage, you won't run out of space anytime soon. On the flip side, some users have reported that the phone can feel a bit bulky. Now, here's the thing. If you prioritize durability and advanced features, the size might not be a deal breaker, but for those who prefer a sleeker phone, it could be a downside. This is perfect for you if you work in challenging environments and need a reliable device. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and compact. For its rugged build and advanced features, it's a solid investment for professionals. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between performance and thermal imaging.
Product number 3, Ulefone Armor 27T Pro. The Ulefone Armor 27T Pro is next, priced at $539.99, and this rugged smartphone also incorporates a thermal imaging camera. What caught my attention is its extensive storage options, offering 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. If you want a rugged phone with exceptional thermal capabilities, this is worth a serious look. This phone is designed with a 50MP and 64MP camera along with its thermal imaging capabilities, making it perfect for various tasks. Whether you're checking for heat loss in your home or monitoring equipment, the thermal camera is quick and effective. The 10,600 mAh battery ensures you can work uninterrupted for long hours, and the 33-watt charging capability means you won't be waiting around. However, some users have mentioned the weight of this phone, calling it a bit hefty. Here's the thing. While it does feel a bit bulkier compared to standard smartphones, the durability and battery life can outweigh this consideration, especially for outdoor enthusiasts and tradespeople. This is perfect for you if you need an all-in-one rugged phone for both photography and thermal imaging. Skip this one if you want something light and compact. For the price point, it offers exceptional value, especially for those who need durability. Now, if weight is a concern for you, the next product might be a better fit with a lighter design. Product number 4, Ulefone Armor 27T Pro 5G. Another variant from Ulefone, the Armor 27T Pro 5G, retailing at $458.99. This rugged phone takes thermal imaging to the next level with a 64 megapixel plus 50 megapixel camera setup. What really caught my eye here is how this model balances advanced features with thermal imaging. If you want a powerful phone that still gives you thermal insights, this is worth checking out. With its powerful MTK Dimensity 6300 processor and 24 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking is a breeze while using the thermal camera. The 10,600 mAh battery and 30-watt wireless charging ensure you can charge quickly, so you won't miss a moment when you're out in the field. It also has a 120 Hz display for smoother visuals, which is a nice perk. Now, some users complained about the camera's performance in low light conditions. Here's the thing though, while it may not be the best in total darkness, the thermal imaging capabilities more than compensate for this, especially outdoors or in dimly lit spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance rugged phone with thermal capabilities. Skip this one if you're only focused on photography as your main priority. Considering its features, this phone delivers great value for those who need both photography and thermal imaging. Now, if you want a flagship experience, the next product is a must-see. Product number 5, AGM G3 Pro, a flagship ultra-rugged smartphone priced at $699. This phone features a thermal camera that operates at 25 FPS and a 6.72-inch FHD plus 120 Hz display. What truly caught my attention is how durable this phone is, making it an excellent option for anyone in extreme conditions. If you're looking for top-tier ruggedness and thermal imaging, this deserves your attention. The AGM G3 Pro is built to last with a 10,000 mAh battery, which means you can go days without charging. The thermal camera's 25 FPS capture rate allows for real-time thermal imaging, making it useful for emergency situations or inspections. Plus, it includes features like NFC and a powerful speaker, enhancing its usability. However, some users have expressed concerns about the price point. Here's the thing. While it may seem steep, the durability and advanced features justify the cost, especially if you're in a profession that requires rugged devices. This is perfect for you if you work in construction, security, or any field where you need a resilient device. Skip this one if you're looking for something more affordable and less rugged. For those serious about their gear, it offers excellent value. So to quickly recap, we looked at the FLIR ONE, Ulefone Armor 27T Pro, Ulefone Armor 27T Pro, Ulefone Armor 27T Pro 5G, and the AGM G3 Pro. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AGM G3 Pro because of its unbeatable durability and advanced features for serious professionals. Avoid the FLIR ONE if you need something rugged, as it's more of a specialized tool. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.